I know you are facing hair fall issues और इसीलिए आप इस वीडियो में आए हो. So I'm gonna talk about this viral product from Be Body Wise. So this is their hair growth serum roll on. Now there is something very special about this product. This is a roll on serum. अभी तक जो भी serum मार्केट में आए हैं, I think बहुत टाइम हो गया इसको भी आए हुए, बट टिल नाउ जो भी सिरम आए हैं वो सारे ड्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में थे. सो दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ रेवोल्यूशनरी पैकेजिंग एंड टुडे आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट दिस विदाउट एनी बायसनेस बिकॉज आई हैव बॉट दिस विथ माई ओन मनी. तो जो भी मैंने फेस किया है, देखा है चेंजेस और नहीं भी देखा होगा तो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताऊंगी. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो. A 25 ml bottle like this, and it also has a bigger packaging which comes like around 50 ml ka pack, but this is something which I bought it for the first time, so I was like, what would I do by buying a 50 ml bottle? So I bought it in 25 ml and revolutionary packaging ke sath aata hai because it is a hair roll on kind of a thing. So if you look closely, there is a roll on ball. जैसे कि आप कोई भी roll on product देखते हो तो ये बॉल रोटेट करता है and product बाहर आता है. So the packaging is super amazing and I'll tell you how to use this product and everything. So when I see this, there is a 1 ml scale mentioned here. तो इसमें कुछ स्कैल्प में जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको प्रॉब्लम है लगाना है. सो व्हाट आई डिड इज़ मैंने इसको एक दिन बाद यूज़ किया और कभी कभी मैं वीक में एक बार भी यूज़ करती थी एंड इट इज़ गुड. It is recommended that you should use it only before you go to sleep and you have to actually keep it on your hair for a good amount of time. Now I'm gonna tell you about the ingredients and everything in a while. Before even we begin with that, I really want you to see what my hair used to look like. I'm actually not embarrassed to show you guys this picture because I have recently seen Neetu Bisht and she has some same kind of problem. उनके भी यहाँ पे हेयर लाइन में हेयर्स नहीं है. सो आई वॉज लाइक ओके, शी हैज़ सो मैनी गुड रिसोर्सेज. लाइक उनके पास क्या नहीं है, वो तो ट्रीटमेंट भी करा सकते हैं, फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है उनका हेयर फॉल कम या वो जगह वो भर नहीं पा रहे हैं. सो आई वॉज लाइक ओके, आई एम नॉट द ओनली वन. सो या हियर इज़ दिस पिक्चर, यू कैन सी दैट होता है, सबको ऐसा होता है, बॉल्ड पैचेस आ जाते हैं. बॉल्ड पैच भी नहीं बोलूँगी, यहाँ पे बाल बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम है. सो दिस वॉज अ पिक्चर एंड नाउ आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. पहले तो इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है, कुछ बहुत मिनिमल इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, बट जैसे मैंने रिसर्च किया इंग्रेडिएंट्स के बारे में, आई गॉट टू नो दैट इट हैज़ अमेजिंग इंग्रेडिएंट. जैसे कि इसमें है 2% ऑफ एनागिन, 2% ऑफ एमनॉक्सिल एंड 3% रोजमेरी, 3% रिडेंसिल. सो आई फील लाइक इसमें 10% पूरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इन्हीं का है एंड जो बाकी यहाँ पे इंग्रेडिएंट्स मेंशन है बहुत छोटे छोटे हैं एंड आई एम रियली नॉट गुड विथ इंग्रेडिएंट्स. सो whatever I have researched, उसमें मोरिंगा का एक्सट्रैक्ट भी दिया हुआ है which is anyways healthy and it promotes a lot of hair, so it's a good ingredient. इसमें बहुत सारे और भी ingredients है that you can actually try and read. I'm gonna insert a picture here. So yeah, that was a bit about the ingredients. Now when I talk about the packaging, I have already mentioned that this is a roll-on packaging, but still this is super convenient to use. So basically you just open it and then you just need to roll it like this on your hairs and your hairs feel so amazing. It feels super great because ये बहुत ठंडा है, तो अगर आप यूज़ करो आपको एक अलग ही ठंडा, you'll feel like wow, what a great massage. So it actually works like a massager as well. At least for me, I feel like it's super convenient. One, because you can just directly apply it on your scalp, and secondly it's mess free. तो मुझे अपने बालों में अपने हाथों को ऐसे फेरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज़ ये ना बहुत बॉटल जो अच्छे से बंद नहीं होते तो लीक होने लगते हैं. आई हैड वेरी बैड एक्सपीरियंस रिगार्डिंग दोज. So yeah, this is something which I actually like about this product the most is the packaging. Now you can see, अब application process आपको पता ही होगा. You just need to make sure that you section your hairs and then you apply this particular serum all over your scalp. And it is super lightweight. Okay, I am telling you, it is super lightweight. Unlike other hair serums, it feels like you're oily हो जाएंगे, but actually no. Next morning it gives my hair a lot of like volume. Okay, hair में thinning हो रही है and you need more volume. Something which was missing in other hair serums. I'm not sure, I have not used indie wild वाले level के products, but I have used जो भी hair products अभी तक. This is something which is like super lightweight and I actually like the feel of it on my scalp. It just makes sure that it is getting absorbed into your scalp really quickly as well. If you deal with scalp irritation, this is gonna be the best product. This is gonna be your savior. So I should mention this that इसमें कोई भी strong smell नहीं है, so I don't feel irritated or anything. Now coming towards the price point, I feel like 25 ml of the product is priced at 600 rupees, which is like too much considering the amount of product you're getting. Well, If you are someone who is ready to invest that much because it actually works, go with it. But I feel like someone who is just started earning, or even if someone who is in college, I think this price is gonna be overwhelming for them. But you know what you can do, जब भी सेल वगैरह हो रहा होता है, it's available for around 350-400 अच्छे सेल पे, and you can also stock up it with another Bodywise product, so you will get good discounts. I will recommend you to stock up at least 2 to 3 bottles if you really like using it, because that's what I'm gonna do in the next Nykaa sale. So I bought it from Nykaa, and you can just literally get it from any other sites, especially if you buy it from B Bodywise का website. You will get some good discounts because उसमें कुछ first user coupon वगैरह लगा के you can try buying it from that site. So yeah, price is done, packaging is done, how it feels is done. Now I'm gonna share my results with you all. Now I showed you the picture previously, ठीक है, कैसे मेरे बाल लगते थे. Now I'm gonna tell you what the looks like now. So you can see it is there, but it's not that much, ठीक है. I know that the wideness of the scalp is there, but it's not that much visible. Also, if you notice closely, I have some baby hairs growing here, so that means it's working. Now here's something that you should note. So as you guys just saw that I have baby hairs growing on, but I want you guys to actually listen to me properly right now. It is not an overnight process, and I also use other products. But जब मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही थी तब सिर्फ मैंने इसको यूज़ किया था, मैंने इसके रेंज का कोई शैम्पू यूज़ नहीं किया था इसके साथ. तो फॉर द वर्क्स एंड इट फील्स लाइट. हाउएवर आई वॉन्ट टू मैंशन माई हेयर केयर रूटीन राइट नाउ. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, इसको मैं कब यूज़ करती हूँ, आई यूजुअली यूज़ इट at night in over my clean scalp. Now see, hair serum will only work if your scalp is really clean, and since it's a non-sticky one, I use it even after using my shampoo or even after washing my hairs, and mostly I use it during the night or a day before my hair wash or a night before my hair wash. After using this is very strong, and this is concentrators as well. So what now, secondly, if you want to apply it and go out, I don't recommend doing it because apparently इसको आपको clean scalp पे लगाना है, and anyways it can react with other chemicals. So these are the two things that you need to take care in your mind. And what I especially do is I wash my hairs twice or thrice a week. So for me the process is different. For you it can be different. It also depends how many times you're using it. So I use it thrice a week during night. My final review is that this product actually is a good product. If you want to buy it, just go ahead without any second thought, but make sure that you save some money because it's expensive. And yeah, I would recommend this product. I would 100% recommend this product to you all, and you have to be consistent with it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. A few days